Welcome back to 7-Minute Options. On Tuesday, January 4th, my second video of the day. Just rolling a lot of positions, 17 days left to expiration here, so let's get right to it. Astra, the rocket company, I like these guys. I don't know why they're down to $6.60 or whatever per share. I'm gonna roll these two positions out. Whatever I get from them, I get from them. Yeah, 50 bucks, let's do it. I actually think Astra is gonna turn around. They've had a lot of good news over the past 3, 4, 5 months. Again, it's not investment advice. You're an adult, zero money, blah, blah, blah. So let's try to roll that position out. All right, the next one here is the BTO, the Bitcoin ETF that's expiring in 24 days. I can't roll that out. There is negative extrinsic value on it. Not even gonna try. FUBO, I got a 28 strangle against my 100 shares, a covered straddle. FUBO had a bit of a meltdown. Not sure what I can do here with 17 days left to go. If I go out to February, can I, I see, because they're down to 30 or 26. Can I roll that down to the 26? I cannot pick up a credit. So the 28 strike doesn't exist. So now I'm going up to a 30 strike. Can I move the put down to 26? Nope, that's cost me $174 in debit, which I don't want to spend. So I'm going up to 30 and picking up 220 in credit. Yeah, why not? I actually do think they're going to turn around. FUBO is, again, cable cutting company. I like them. Again, I have no idea what's going to happen to them, but I do think they're going to turn around. They were up to like in the high 20s, 27, 28 bucks a share not too long ago, so I'm not sure why they melted down. Joby, 17 days left to go. Well, I got his one put. That's a $10 put. Let's keep rolling it out. Whatever I get for it, only 15 bucks. I'm just waiting for some good news out of Joby. They're one of those eVTOL air taxi companies. If we got some good news and the stock jumps, life is going to be very good. I do have a very bullish position in Joby that expires a year from now, 381 days. So hopefully they're going to have some good news in 2022. PALTR, same thing, covered strangle. Not a whole lot of credit there. Damn it. All right, let's roll it out to February 18th, pick up 23 in credit, waiting for a bounce back in the stock. I was hoping to pick up more credit there, but whatever. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. PTON. All right, PTON. $65 straddle. PTON continues to melt down. I do think PTON's going to turn around. I feel pretty good about it. I talked more about it in my earlier video. This is my second video of the day. I spoke a little bit more about PTON there. Hey, I can pick up 27 bucks. Why not? Again, it's a horrible use of buying power. So I do hope that next earnings report, they'll have moved past their recall, and they're going to have some good news on whether it's user growth or whether it's subscription growth or whatever they have. But I do think that they have a loyal following, good product, etc. So trying to roll that out there. Silver finally moving back. I have a 24 straddle there as well. It was down to 20 bucks just a few weeks ago. Now it's finally moving back. So yeah, let's roll it out. Let's get some more premium here. 45 days, only 22 bucks in premium. Sure, why not? Yeah, that filled right away. Fantastic. Yeah, not collecting a lot of premium here on these rolls. SoFi, 17 days. Oh, damn it. Yeah, this is just $15. This is a horrible. I'm just not collecting a lot of premium here. That's fine. Now, what happens if I take SoFi? Yeah, that's fine. I got a bullish position here on SoFi. And of course this 25 put, anyway, I did mess that one up because I did have, anyway, I don't want to get into it. No need to dwell on past mistakes, just need to learn from them. And that's it. The rest of the other positions are far dated. So that's it. I'm just going to keep an eye on these positions, see what I can collect here. Not a whole lot in premium this month. Much less than I usually get, but then again, that's because the strikes are quite far away from where the tickers are. I don't feel like paying money to chase them right now because I don't have the money to pay. But anyway, I'm gonna deposit some more money, which will give me some more options, and we'll go from there. All right. Happy New Year once again, and all the best in 2022. All right. Thanks.